Hello everyone. So this set 12 which we are covering the subqueries. Okay. This is very interesting topic and this is very interesting to know or very important to know how we can write a subquery, how subquery can be utilized while applying the filter condition on the existing tables, including of single tables or multiple tables, including of joins. So this will be very helpful for you to answer the like lot of interview questions. So let's jump with the subquery definition first, and then we'll go ahead with the problem statement step by step. So subquery means a query written inside another query, that is called a subquery. It's a simple definition. A query inside another query, that is called a subquery. If you can find, this is the real-time example of subquery. So you can find select star from employee. This is a one query which is going on where salary is greater than, again, one more query has been written inside the subquery. Okay. So what is the problem statement? That is find employees above average salary. Okay. Find employees above salary, average salary. So let me copy the problem statement. I will copy 3-4 problem statements and we'll try to write the program, or we'll try to write the query in SQL Server Management Studio. Find the lowest salary. Let me copy this. Then employees earning more than Rahul. Okay. Employee working in IT department. Okay. So we are going to first target these first 5-6 queries. We'll try to write it down so that we'll get a actual hands-on experience. Okay. So as you can see, like I have opened the SQL Server Management Studio where we have to write the first query, that is find employees above the average salary. Okay. So we'll have to write a query first. Okay. So let's say write select. Okay. Select star from employees where salary should be greater than, this is a subquery. Okay. Now select average. It's an aggregate function. Salary, average salary from employees. Okay. So this is the query, subquery which we have tried to write. Okay. So these are the list of employees which is salary is greater than the average salary of employees. Okay. This is a very simple query. Second is find highest salary of employee. Okay. Find the highest salary. Okay. So select star from employees where, select star from employees where salary equals to, now let's write the subquery. Select max. Okay. Now we'll have to use aggregate function max employees. Okay. Now let's try to execute. Oh, sorry. It should be employees. Okay. Now let's try to execute this query. As you can see, Sanjay is having the salary, highest salary, that is 1,20,000. Okay. So we can say that this subquery is also working fine. What we are trying to do here, we are trying to find the highest salary of employee. That's why we have used salary equals to, we have, this will return the max salary from employee. So what this will return, this is the maximum salary of employee, and that specific value is getting stick to the salary equals to value. Let's say try to execute this query. What this value is returning, it is returning 1,20,000. So what if you execute this query, so how it will look like? Select star from employee where salary equals to 1,20,000. Okay. This will execute like this. Okay. I hope you got the understanding about this. Second is, third is lowest salary employee. So let's say select star from employee where salary equals to, select minimum salary from employees. Okay. In this way, we'll have to, try to write the query. Now let's try to execute. As you can see, we have received the response. Neha is having the less salary, that is called 60,000. Okay. Now, what is the next query? That is employees earning more than Rahul. Okay. So let's try to execute the select query of employee first. This is the Rahul. Rahul is earning 85,000. So we'll have to write a query where employees, we'll have to find out how many employees earning a salary more than Rahul. Okay. So let's try to write the query. Select star from employees where salary should be greater than. Okay, this is the logic. This is the main logic. Then select salary from employee where name equals to Rahul. Okay, so in this way, we'll have to try to write the query. Now let's try to execute it. Okay, so these are the list of employees who is earning more than this more salary than Rahul. Okay, this inner query is the main magic which is returning the actual salary of Rahul. Then we are applying the a filter condition on salary should be greater than the Rahul's salary. Okay, then we'll have to find out the employees who is working in IT department. Okay, now let's say write a query, select star from employees where department equals to select department from employees where name equals to where department equals to IT. Okay, let's try to execute the query. Okay, now we have received the error here. Subquery return more than one value that is not permitted. Okay, so this is a simple. We don't need to write a subquery here. What we have to do, we have to calculate the employees who is working in IT department. Okay, so select star from employees where department is IT. This query is enough. Let's try to execute a query. As you can see, we have received the list of employees. Okay. Okay. What next problem statement is find employees with maximum salary in each department. This is a good query actually for logic building. Okay. Find the employees with maximum salary in each department. Okay. Let's write a query. Select star from employees where salary equals to. Now let's try to write the subquery. Okay, this query will return the list of employee with the condition salary equals to maximum salary in each department. Now select max salary from employees where group by department. Sorry, group by department. Okay, now let's try to execute the query. Okay, now there is an error. Select star from employee where select max salary in each department. Okay, here also this query is enough. Now let's say here add select department comma max salary from the employees group by department. Okay, subquery is not needed. Let's try to execute this query. This is the department, this is the maximum salary of each department. Okay, so in this way these are, I hope, these are the example is very helpful for you and enough for you to prepare. But if you still want more examples, so I have kept multiple examples in this repository where you can take the examples, you can try to write and execute the query so that you will get more hands on the subqueries. Okay, I hope this video is helpful for you. So please message me in comment, or please message me, or add a comment in the video if you want to make a video in specific a specific topic. Okay. Okay, so in this subquery, we are going to cover the common interview question which has been asked generally. That is, find the second highest salary, then find the employees above the department average, and third is find the customer with order. So as of now, we don't have customer table, so we are not going to write this query. So, but we are definitely try to find or to write this two queries. Okay, so let me copy the problem statement first here in the SSMS, and then I'll open the SSMS window. Okay. So find the second highest salary of employee and find employees above the department average. Okay. Let's jump to the SQL Server Management Studio window. Okay. Now let's try to write the program. Okay. Or write the SQL query. Find the second highest salary. So let's say select star from employees where salary is less than, then write the subquery. Select max salary from employees. Okay. Now let's try to execute the query. Okay. So we have received the list of entries. So here we have to use select max of salary. Okay. We have to use here max of salary from employees where salary less than, select max salary from the employees. Okay. I will explain you. So first, this query will return the maximum salary of employee. Now this query is returning the second max salary of employee, because we have used select name max salary of employees where salary less than the highest salary. Okay. Now this will print the name and the salary. Okay. Name invalid. Okay. We cannot use the name with the aggregate function. Okay. So this is the way we can calculate the second highest salary of employee.